Boots, check. Shovel, check. Snow, well, it started to come down. If you've been dreaming of a white Christmas, the wait is just about over. Winter storm Aiden is expected to dump a lot of snow on northeast Wisconsin, and Doug's got it covered.
Kind of interesting, Angela. We're seeing the snow already come down. This is just the first wave. We're going to see many waves come in with the worst of the snow, the heaviest of the snow, expected later tonight and into early tomorrow morning. But this first wave, the darker areas of blue right here, dumped anywhere between a ½ inch to 2 inches of snow in some areas. And we're starting to see a break from the snow down in Oshkosh and Fond du Lac. But I just wanted to back out the radar and show you that more moisture is building into Madison right now, so it looks like snow will get going again probably in the next 2 hours in the Oshkosh and Appleton area. And everyone is seeing snow. So if you're traveling in Wisconsin, it's slick anywhere you go. We're all underneath a winter storm warning until 6 p.m. tomorrow, and this is what we can expect. The snow will start to pile up today, not as much, only about 4 inches by 6 o'clock, but notice the totals. We're going to see upwards of 12 inches by tomorrow morning in most of northeastern Wisconsin. If you don't see as much snow as that, it'll only total up to maybe 8 inches. All in all, it's going to be a back-breaking shoveling time. Angela?